This is the Dewalt. I almost said Bauer. 12 volt extreme impact. 3/8 inch. I got a 3/8 inch to 1/2 inch adapter and a 21 millimeter socket. Nothing super special. Harbor Freight, of course, socket, 21 millimeter. And I'm gonna take this hubcap off and just test the lug nut breaking loose ability of it. It's only 76 foot-pounds, I think, on this small Toyota car. Let me go ahead and get this hubcap off and test the how quickly this could take this little lug nut off. Battery is fully charged on this Dewalt. It is let's see if I can do this. Let me show you without it being all messed up here. Let's just see. Fully charged. It's always best to do fully charged. And I'll put it in reverse. Make sure it's in reverse. And we will take it out. Whoops. Take the lug nuts off. Just one lug nut. I'll set the camera down here. Pull this hubcap off. Without breaking it. Matter of fact, you can just take these off with your fingers. It's best to take these Toyota plastic hubcaps off with your hands if you can, because they break really easy. They're not that good, especially when they get older. Then you got a car missing hubcaps unless you go buy a new one or some generic one. I'm going to go ahead and break loose one lug nut. Maybe I'll do two, I don't know. I'll see if this, and maybe I can put on the let's see, I would like to put the flash on. Let me here, I'm going to go ahead and break loose this lug nut. Wow. The Dewalt Extreme is really extreme. This thing took this lug nut off like it was nothing. It's got some power. Make no mistake. This is a fast, and it's worth $100 at Lowe's. This is worth it. If you need to work on your car, I will take off another lug nut just to show it. Again, I'll probably try and hold the camera. I'll do it with one hand. It's really, really fast. Here we go. We're on high speed too, all the way. Wow. Now that one came off for a little bit. It took a little longer. There's more pressure on that one, I'm sure. But I'll go ahead and put them back on, and then maybe I'm going to test the wrench mode on this to see how it handles that. Now, one thing about this Dewalt Extreme, this battery is real little, and it's barely standing up on this uneven concrete ground. It's kind of wobbly. It's not the best, because this socket is heavy. This thing is so lightweight, this socket is pulling it down. We'll go ahead and tighten this on. I'm going to torque it. I got it set. I got my torque wrench set to here. I'll go ahead. I'll put this on the wrench mode. wrench mode right there. And we're going to tighten this on. I'll make sure that's at 76, and I'll take another one off. Let me pull my socket off. I don't know what you guys can see, but probably should make an extension. There it is. I believe that's 76. I'm pretty sure I got this thing set right, this Harbor Freight torque wrench. 76. Probably hard to see it, but it's looks like it is at 76. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and break it loose one more time, and that's it. Now, this really probably ain't the best thing for lug nuts. A 1/2 inch one, a 1/2 inch Dewalt or any other brand is better. That way you don't have to use this adapter unless you got a 3/8 inch impact socket that's 21 millimeters or whatever size you need. But this little adapter might take away a little bit of power. But we'll go ahead and try and loosen it with just a wrench mode and see how that works. That works a lot better because it stops the wrench after it feels it breaking loose. That's a nice mode on there. I'll go ahead and do this one also. That works really well. The wrench mode definitely works. But it's a nice tool to have. I might go ahead and do one more here. Let's just tighten this up. And then I'll go ahead and I'm going to break loose this other one here, and that's it. Let's see how it behaves with this one. There it goes. That was quicker. Yeah, this is a really handy little tool. Definitely recommend it. This is the dcf902, and it comes with, if you get it in the kit, which is all they sell it in, I think now, 2 of these 2 amp hour batteries. Real tiny, real lightweight wrench. Very small. Looks bigger on camera, I'm sure. But this is just right for doing little small jobs. I'll go ahead and tighten this on, and then that will probably be it for this video. That wrench mode does work really well. I'll go ahead and torque this on. But that's it for this video. I do recommend the Dewalt Extreme 12 volt 3/8 inch impact for only $100. This car rolls because I got it barely apart. And this is a stick shift. And I don't have the parking brake set too tight on it, so it's rolling, but it's not going to hit anything. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Definitely recommend the Dewalt 12 volt Extreme brushless impact. And I have an adapter on the end of it. Here it is. Here it is without the adapter. But that's it. It's got 3 LEDs on the front. Very easy to use. Very nice. Good quality. Nice batteries. Real lightweight. This is just perfect for small jobs. If you get into really big things, definitely should get something that has at least 300 foot-pounds of torque. Like the mid-torque Dewalt. They have a mid-torque that looks very similar to this, only a lot bigger. Not a lot bigger, but it's bigger, about twice the size of this. And it's mid-torque. It's 330 foot-pounds, I think. This has 200 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, which isn't bad for a small 12 volt. I mean, this is the size of an impact driver, and it's they must have made it, tuned it up to make it have more power. This thing is pretty fast. Thank you for watching. I definitely recommend it. I know this isn't a very bright video. The sun is going down, but thank you.